If you're looking out for cosmetic dentistry, if you want to correct your misaligned teeth without wires, if you're looking for dental veneers, or if you're looking for a celebrity perfect smile, then this video I have made specially for you. Hello friends, this is Dr. Rohan Virani, and like every time I have come up with this very interesting video on smile makeover. So a lot of you write to me, what is smile makeover, sir? You're showing us the wonderful cases, but how exactly you're doing it? So this case I have recorded step by step. I am going to show you about the smile makeover. But before I show you the case, just a sincere request for all my new people who are watching this video, to subscribe to my channel and keep sharing our videos so that we can get motivated to make more videos for you. So coming quickly to the smile makeover case of Shweta. So here she is, Shweta. She has this misaligned teeth and around 4 or 5 days left for her brother's marriage, where suddenly she realized she wants a perfect looking smile. So like every case, first we design her smile on the computer, and I have discussed with her exactly what she wants, and she's approved my computer plan. Once this computer plan is approved, to get her teeth, before we start shaping her teeth, we are going to do the intentional root canals for her teeth. And once these root canals are done, on day 2 we will be giving her a wax mock-up trial after her tooth preparations are done. So that will give her an exact idea of how her teeth are going to look even before we do the final finishing of the case. Once she approves the wax mock-up, on day 3 we will give her the perfect looking set of teeth made from zirconia crowns, and that I'm sure will give her a perfect looking teeth. So not to waste further time, let us quickly jump into day 1, where we are going to do root canals for her for the cosmetic smile makeover of this lady. Let's see day 1 root canals. Friends, like you saw, we have entirely planned Shweta's treatment, and I have shaped up the teeth exactly like the planning. And this, I would say, is one of the most important appointments where we have the wax mock-ups. Whatever the lab guy and I have planned the wax to change her teeth alignment, we have made those mock-ups, and I have done the shaping of the teeth like I just showed you. And now I'm going to put the mock-ups in the mouth, and it's very exciting for me that how in just 2 or 3 days time the entire smile, entire look of a person gets transformed. And also this mock-ups helps me understand how she will look, and in case there are any minor changes, we make them in the wax so that the permanents come out even better. So let me quickly show you the mock-up of Shweta's mouth. Come. Friends, so I'm very excited because now we have just reached day 4, and exactly Shweta's treatment is going like what we planned. So day 1 we did the root canaling, and day 2 we did the shaping. Yesterday I gave her the day before yesterday I gave her the temporary crowns, and they have come out nicely. She liked it. I saw some technical changes which were required. So my lab guy has made her permanent crowns, and we are going to do the trial. So I'm very excited to see how the final look will turn out to be. So just come along, I will show you how it goes. So friends, now finally time has come to show Shweta her new smile. So Shweta, have a look.
मैं अपने स्माइल मेकओवर से बहुत खुश हूँ। मेरे सारे दोस्त और घर वाले भी तारीफ कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर रोहन विरानी।